When sending in videos and pictures to us, it's important to send us photos that capture information that would help us identify what feature we are looking at. Notice this individual image here is cut off on the left as well as on the right, so we aren't sure if this is completely a shelf cloud or a wall cloud just by looking at it. It could also be Scud. We also want you to consider your safety in taking these photos. This particular image is cutting off the lower portion of the cloud itself. By looking at the striations, we get a hint at some rotation, but without seeing the lower portion of the cloud, we have no idea if it's just Scud or something else. If you are continuing along and it's safe to do so, providing a picture with more information is important to us. It's important that you send us information that you deem important for us to know based off of everything we've already told you about in our spotter talk. Even if you think we can see it on radar, in some cases we can't for reasons we've already discussed at the beginning of our spotter talk. Your report matters to us, and to those who see the reported data after it makes its way into storm data and to FEMA, etc. There are many different methods to report severe weather hazards to us. Feel free to choose one that works best for you. Social media and phone calls are often the best way to report to us because they are quick, but email and Facebook are also good platforms for sending images to see what you're seeing. Some of these methods aren't always the most timeliest, and sometimes we won't be checking on them unless we're expecting it, for example, email. Have a backup as well in case power goes out or your favorite reporting method isn't currently working. Here are some methods that you can use to report to us. The webmaster email is great for us to receive photos, and the other methods here are great to quickly get us a timely report. Here's the reporting form with many different ways to contact our office and the clickable hazard types at the bottom with a few questions to help us narrow down what actually happened. You can access this reporting form at weather.gov/IWX/IWX-Skywarn and click on Reporting Procedures and then How to Submit Storm Reports. Another way to report to us is through CocoRoss, which is a program where spotters can send us snow, rain, or hail reports at 7 or 8 in the morning. This is especially great because during the winter with snowstorms and during the rain season with rain events, especially if it spans many days, because we're able to chunk the days into 24-hour periods starting at 7 or 8 a.m. each time. Another great program to report winter precipitation types like sleet, freezing rain, snow, and rain is through the downloadable MPing app. This is an app developed by weather researchers looking to connect our latest radar technology, dual-pole radar, to precipitation types, and is now very helpful to forecasters to identify rain-snow lines, among other things. You can see your report on the map after you submit it as well.